This video is all about a magic fertilizer that helps your plants in multiple ways. This liquid fertilizer that we are going to see today is a rich source of the three major elements: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. In addition, it also aids in enhanced blooming and gives your foliage a shiny and healthy look. The added advantage for feeding your plants with this fertilizer is that it controls pest. Now, why wait to see the formulation of this magic liquid fertilizer? Let's move to the making of it directly. First, let me list the things that you need to make this fertilizer. 1. A tub or a bucket that can hold 2 liters. 2. A mixing rod. 3. Water 1 liter. 4. Milk 200 milliliter. 5. Epsom salt 5 grams. 6. Compost tea. Now let's see how to use each of these ingredients and the benefits of using these ingredients. Take 1 liter of water and add 200 milliliters of milk to it. Maintain water to milk ratio is 1:5. Milk is a very good source of calcium for your plants and helps to fight stunted growth and diseases like blossom end rot, which are commonly caused due to calcium deficiency. Transmission of tobacco mosaic virus and powdery mildew is also prevented by using milk as a fertilizer. I will be doing a detailed video on why and how to use milk as a fertilizer for your plants. To keep you notified on such videos, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, now mix 5 grams of Epsom salt to the solution. Epsom salt helps plant absorb the 3 major elements NPK from the soil. It also plays a major role in enhancing the plant's ability to produce flowers and fruits. Now, the last step is to mix compost tea to this solution. Compost tea is prepared by dissolving a handful of vermicompost or manure in 1 liter of water. Leave this solution for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Then take a liter of this compost tea and mix it with the above said liquid fertilizer. The magic liquid fertilizer is now ready to be served as a healthy meal for your plants. Fill your spray can with the fertilizer and spray it on the foliage of your plants. This fertilizer works best when it is given as a foliage spray either in the early morning or late evening, because that is the time when the breathing holes in the leaves, which are called as stomata, will be wide open. Thus the chances of the liquid fertilizer being absorbed is very high. If you liked this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends.